Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. Kitchen and dining room, and 2. Phonics, 2 letters for 1 sound.
フォニックスの2文字で1つの音。
CH, ch, and SH, sh. Don't forget, let's start the DVD lesson. Next, let's do some actions. Did you remember the actions we did last lesson?
この前のレッスンでやった動きを覚えているかな？
Let's do it together. Are you ready? Stand up. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. Turn on the tap. Turn off the tap. Pour some juice in a glass. Stir the soup. Sit down. Okay, good job. Now let's do it again. Are you ready? Stand up. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. Turn on the tap. Turn off the tap. Pour some juice in a glass. Stir the soup. Sit down. Excellent! Hi, it's phonics time. This week we're going to do 2 letters for 1 sound.
2文字で1つの音。
Ch and sh. Let's begin. CH is ch. Chicken. Ch.
この音はチュの音に似ています。口を突き出して息だけ吐き出す音です。チュじゃないよ。チュだよ。
Okay, let's try the ch sound together. Are you ready? 1, 2. Ch, ch, ch. Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? CH is ch. Chicken. Are you ready? 1, 2. CH is ch. Chicken. Wonderful. Next is sh. SH is sh. Ship. Sh.
この音も口を突き出して言います。静かにしてほしいときに、シーって言うよね。そのとき、口の形をタコの口に変えて、シーって言ってみましょう。
Okay, let's try the sh sound together. 1, 2. Shh. 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 Very good. Finally, let's say them all together, shall we? SH is sh. Ship. Are you ready? 1, 2. SH is sh. Ship. Wonderful. Could you say them all? It's time to sing. Did you listen to the song, The ABC Song? Let's sing together slowly, at the same time with me. A, B, C, D, E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Very good. Please practice this song at home. Goodbye. It's vocabulary time. Let's review the words you learned last time. It's a pan. It's a pot. It's a refrigerator. It's a sink. It's a tap. Next, I'm going to give you a small hint. Try to say the answer before I tell you what it is. Are you ready? What is it? It's a tap. What is it? It's a refrigerator. What is it? It's a pot. What is it? It's a pan. What is it? It's a sink. Could you say them all? Well done. Hi! It's chance time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. This week, let's do it together slowly. Are you ready? Water in the pot. A pot on the bench. Juice in the glass. A spoon for soup. A fork for steak. A plate for food. Milk in the cup. Turn on the tap. Good job! Hi, it's book time. Let me read it to you again. My Kitchen and Dining Room. Written by Gary and Akiko.
タイトルは、私の台所と食事をする部屋。ギャリー先生とアキコ先生が書いたお話です。
My kitchen is clean.
私の台所はきれい。
Yes, and it has a big refrigerator.
そうだね。それに大きな冷蔵庫があるね。
Also, it has a gas stove and sink.
それにガスコンロと流し台もあるね。
Where is the dining room?
ご飯を食べる部屋はどこ？
The dining room is here.
ご飯を食べる部屋はここよ。
It's next to the kitchen.
台所の隣にあるんだね。
It has a big table and 4 chairs.
大きなテーブル一つと4つの椅子があるよ。
Wonderful!
素晴らしいね。
The end. How was that? Goodbye!
Hi, my name's Max.
My name's Carla.
My name is Kinder.
Now let's play the sound guessing game. Somebody says chicken. Guess who? Are you ready?
Turkey.
Cheeky.
Chicken.
Who said chicken?
誰が言ったのかな？
I did. I said chicken.
Oh, Linda said chicken. Did you get it?
君はわかったかな？
By the way, what did you say, Carla?
I said turkey. Turkey.
I see. How about you, Max? Max? I said cheeky. Cheeky. I see. Bye, everybody. See you next time. Hey, how was that? Now today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. Kitchen and dining room, and 2. Phonics, 2 letters for 1 sound, CH, ch, and SH, sh. Don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.